Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept and tap confirm. Then choose continue and click on allow. Now you want to go with receive on Samsung and send on an Android. Normally you want to tap all of those dots and click send to send all of your files, but it will take a lot of time, so I will only click this one song, click send and tap got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon, choose allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can go into further my files, select in my case audio and click on send anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!